Okay, let's find the sample variance by using the Excel. So sample variance is basically we square the standard deviation, while this one is going to just give us press equal so that it will understand the command var variance. Now again, it's the same as standard deviation. We have a variance per population, variance per sample. So we are looking for variance per sample. And of course, we highlight, drag all the way and release and close parentheses through the keyboard and enter. And that is a 770. Is that 770 or there is a little more extra here? Oh, seems like there's some decimal here. So yeah, that is 769.8. We find the sample variance. Again, whatever standard deviation, if you square it, it should be close to that approximately. And